In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth text scramble effect inside DaVinci Resolve. Start by open the effects panel, search for Text Plus, and drag it above your clip on a new video track. With the Text Plus selected, head over to the inspector. Here, you can set your desired font, size, and color. Now, in the text box, right-click and select Text Scramble. This automatically adds a Scramble modifier to your text. Next, switch over to the Fusion page. In the Modifier tab, you'll see all the Scramble options. Under Characters, you can remove any symbols or letters you don't want included in the randomization. For example, if you prefer only uppercase letters or numbers, simply delete the others from the list. Move your playhead to the start of the clip. Then, set a keyframe for the randomness value and bring it up to around 1. This will make the text fully scrambled at the beginning. Then, move your playhead to about halfway through the clip and set the randomness back down to 0. This will gradually reveal the correct text as the animation plays. And that's it! You've just created a clean and customizable text scramble effect inside DaVinci Resolve.